Today's subject, GST and rental properties. Hi, I'm Jeff Banks, the founder of Banks Consultancy, and these are our tidbits of the day. And today's subject is GST and rental properties. Now, when it comes to rental properties, if it's a residential rent, there is no GST. So one does not register for GST because one doesn't charge it, and on the other side of the coin, one can't claim the GST on our imports. But if we look at commercial properties, then there is a practicality to sometimes registering for GST. If you charge more than $75,000 in rent on a commercial property, then you have to be registered for GST. Under the present legislation, if you're charging less than $75,000 per annum, technically speaking, you don't need to be registered for GST. Now, it comes to the same point when you're claiming your expenses, that if you're registered for GST, then your expenses that have GST in them should be claimable. The problem comes when you've got a mix of properties, some are residential, some are commercial. Then the GST on the residential properties is actually not claimable. We've got a number of clients who have a mixture of commercial properties and residential properties, and we need to pick out the actual expenses related directly to a residential property in order to claim their GST properly. If you have any of this sort of problem, or you want to investigate whether you should be registered for GST or not, please contact us here at Banks Consultancy, and one of our trained consultants will work through the options with you. I'm Jeff Banks from Banks Consultancy, and we are not your ordinary accountants.